We all know that hard work is essential for achieving our goals and dreams, but sometimes we just don't feel like doing it. We procrastinate, make excuses, and even give up. You're facing a mountain of work, and your brain is giving you the side eye. But wait, that resistance? It's not an enemy. It's your brain's way of saying, listen bro, we're on to something big here. But what if I told you that you can change your perspective and make hard work fun, rewarding, and satisfying? What if I tell you that you can train your brain to enjoy the challenge and the process of doing hard things? Sounds awesome, right? In this video, I'm going to share with you some proven strategies that will help you transform your mindset and attitude towards hard work. By the end of this video, you will be able to trick your brain to love doing hard things and achieve amazing results. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first step is to acknowledge the resistance. Come on, we've all been there. Facing a challenge feels like preparing for a marathon. Resistance is the natural and normal reaction of your brain when you face something hard or unfamiliar. Your brain is wired to seek comfort and avoid pain, so it tries to protect you from the potential stress, failure, or disappointment that hard work might bring. This is your brain's way of saying,
I love you, bro. Everything I do it for you.
But resistance is not your enemy. It's actually a sign that you are doing something meaningful and important. It's a sign that you are growing and learning. So, instead of fighting or ignoring the resistance, you need to embrace it and use it as a motivation. Think of some examples of hard work that you have done or want to do in your life. Maybe it's studying for a test, learning a new skill, starting a business, or working on a project. How did you feel when you faced the resistance? Did you feel anxious, frustrated, or overwhelmed? How did you overcome it? Did you push through, ask for help, or find a way to make it easier? The next time you encounter resistance, don't let it stop you. Instead, say to yourself, this is hard, and that's okay. This is an opportunity for me to grow and improve. I can do this. The second strategy is to gamify the challenges. Gamifying means turning hard tasks into a game, where you set goals, create a point system, and reward yourself for your progress. Gamifying makes hard work more fun, engaging, and motivating, because it taps into your brain's natural desire for achievement, feedback, and rewards. To gamify your hard work, you need to do 3 things. 1. Set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals help you define what you want to accomplish, how you will measure your success, and when you will achieve it. For example, instead of saying, I want to learn French, you can say, I want to learn 1,000 French words in 3 months. 2. Create a point system. A point system helps you track your progress and see how much you have done. You can assign points to different tasks or activities that contribute to your goal, and keep a record of your points. For example, you can give yourself 1 point for every French word you learn, 5 points for every French conversation you have, and 10 points for every French book you read. 3. Reward yourself. A reward is something that you give yourself when you reach a certain amount of points or achieve a sub-goal. Rewards can be anything that makes you happy, such as watching a movie, eating a snack, or buying something you want. Rewards help you celebrate your achievements and reinforce your positive behavior. For example, you can reward yourself with a French movie when you reach 100 points, a French snack when you reach 500 points, and a French book when you reach 1,000 points. The third strategy is to focus on small wins. Small wins are the little steps that you take towards your big goal. Small wins help you break down hard work into manageable chunks and make you feel more confident and capable. Small wins also trigger the release of dopamine, a chemical in your brain that makes you feel good and motivates you to keep going. To focus on small wins, you need to do 2 things. 1. Break down your tasks. Breaking down your tasks means dividing your hard work into smaller and easier parts. Breaking down your tasks helps you reduce the complexity and difficulty of your work and makes it more achievable and realistic. For example, instead of trying to learn 1,000 French words in one go, you can break it down into learning 10 words per day for 100 days. 2. Celebrate your victories. Celebrate like you just won a gold medal in the Productivity Olympics. Celebrating your victories means acknowledging and appreciating your efforts and achievements. No matter how big or small, celebrating your victories helps you boost your self-esteem and happiness, and reminds you of how far you have come. For example, you can celebrate your victory by giving yourself a high five or sharing your success with someone else. The fourth strategy is to use visualization techniques. See yourself conquering those hard tasks. Imagine you're the superhero of your story. Visualization means creating a mental image of what you want to achieve or how you want to feel. Visualization helps you change your perception of hard work and makes it more appealing and attractive. Visualization also activates the same brain regions that are involved in actually doing the work, which prepares you for the action and increases your chances of success. To use visualization techniques, you need to do two things. 1. Visualize the outcome. Visualizing the outcome means imagining the end result of your hard work and how it will benefit you or others. Visualizing the outcome helps you create a clear and compelling vision of what you want to achieve and why it matters. 2. Visualize the process. Visualizing the process means imagining the steps that you need to take to reach your outcome and how you will overcome the obstacles or challenges. Visualizing the process helps you create a realistic and positive plan of action and how you will cope with the difficulties. For example, you can visualize yourself reading a book, practicing with a partner. The fifth strategy is to connect your hard work to your passion and purpose. Passion means something that you love to do, that makes you happy and excited. Purpose means something that you care about, that makes you feel meaningful and fulfilled. Hard work isn't a chore, it's a passion project. Connecting your hard work to your passion and purpose helps you find the intrinsic motivation and inspiration for your work, and makes it more enjoyable and satisfying. Finding your passion means discovering what you are good at, what you enjoy doing. Finding your passion helps you identify your strengths, interests, and goals, and how they relate to your hard work. Finding your purpose means understanding how your hard work can make a positive difference in your life or in the world. Finding your purpose helps you identify your values, beliefs, and causes, and how they relate to your hard work. The sixth and final strategy is to create a productive environment. Your environment is the physical and social space that surrounds you and influences your mindset and behavior. Creating a productive environment means setting up an organized and inspiring workspace and surrounding yourself with supportive and like-minded people. Creating a productive environment helps you eliminate distractions, increase focus, and enhance creativity. To create a productive environment, you need to do two things. 1. Organize your workspace. Organize your workspace like a boss. Organizing your workspace means arranging your tools, materials, and resources in a way that makes your work easier and faster. Organizing your workspace helps you reduce clutter, save time, and improve efficiency. 2. Inspire your workspace. Inspire your workspace like an artist. Inspiring your workspace means adding elements that make your work more pleasant and enjoyable. Inspiring your workspace helps you boost your mood, energy, and motivation. 3. Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with a squad that cheers you on. Surround yourself with positive people who share your goals, values, and passions. People who support, encourage, and challenge you. Surrounding yourself with positive people helps you increase your social support, feedback, and accountability. That's it, guys. 6 strategies that will help you trick your brain to love doing hard things. This isn't your average hard work is good for you spiel. It's the ultimate guide to turning your brain into a hard-working machine. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear from you. What are some hard things that you want to do or have done in your life? What are some tips or tricks that you use to trick your brain to love doing hard things? Let me know in the comment section. I'm looking forward to reading your responses and learning from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.